We had a few eruptions of the Italian volcanoes. The first one was the Stromboli, which is in the island, 900 meters tall volcano. On the north west side, you can see fresh lava and ash. Actually stops vegetation growing. That is the part that lava goes usually. The eruption looks something like this. Impressive, but small. That's the reason it's called the Strombolian. Compared to others, for example, Klitschkovskaya or Popocatépetl, these are minor eruptions, but they are beautiful yet. You can enjoy them looking at the style of the Strombolian eruption. A few hundred meters into the air, lava spews, a lot of gases also, and some ash depending on the time and the material. Etna also had an eruption, smaller than is usual, but compared to what you see in the Stromboli, that is quite big. What you see is the two of the volcanic summits. Between them there is a vent. It's not a crater of this summit. None of these edges you see there are any volcanic erupting center at the moment. This is what you see. Let me just brighten up the image. You can see better. These are two hills practically. Between them there is an active center. And in any way, Etna doesn't have one vent. It has multiple vents and they erupt. And this event was one of those ones. You see that there is a summit not related to the current eruption, just happening there.